Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what's on my interior design wish list. Now, this is my first time actually making an interior design wish list, because normally I see things I'm like, oh yeah, I like that, and I kind of have in the back of my mind for again. And normally that stuff is like from either H&M or Zara or TK Maxx or something like that. Like, it's never really from super high-end expensive design houses, because you know it's just not realistic at the minute. So then the last day, a few design houses sent me their new design catalogs for me to look at, and I was like, you know, okay, this is fun. Let me just see what's, you know, inside these. So I had a look around and I've seen some amazing items. So I'm going to show you guys some of my wish list items. Not all of them made the cut. Only about maybe 3 or 4 items made the cut from the lists, from the catalogs. But you know, that's okay. I have some other stuff that is more realistic that I could buy with my own money as well in this wish list. But yeah, without further ado, let's just, you know, get into this. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with the first thing that I've seen in one of these catalogs. Now this is beautiful. Like, I love this so much. When I seen this, it just drew my attention like straight away. I like clicked on it. I wanted to see the price of it. I wanted to see everything, because I got sent the price list as well for each of these, all of these items. Now I wasn't expecting it to be this expensive, but it is 13,000 euros, which, I mean, I think it's very big, to be honest. I think that's a very, like, I think it's like a big price for what it is. But you know what? It's made to order. It's probably a lot of craft and hard work goes into it. And I mean, I love the design of it. I could just imagine this in, like, you know, a really simple room, like with rendered walls and white sheets and a simple bed, and then just this, like, kind of in the middle, just kind of ziggy-zag. Oh, I think it looks so cool. So this is definitely on my interior design wish list. Now maybe 5-10 years down the line, I might be able to have the opportunity to buy something like this, but until then, this is going to stay on the list for me just to admire every day. Okay guys, so the next item on my wish list is this little console table. Now this is gorgeous. Like, this is beautiful on its own, and I don't really have much words to say about it. I just think it's a really interesting shape, and yeah, I would love it in my home. I don't know the price list now because I forgot to actually check the price list, but if I can find it, I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, that's all I have to say about it. It's just a beautiful piece. Okay guys, then I seen this headboard. Now, I love this headboard. Oh, like, isn't it just so cool? Now, if I was to get this though, I would obviously make some alterations, because I'd want it taller. But I was thinking of making like this is 3,710 euros, but if I was to do it with the DIY, I try to make for under like 200 euros, so like materials and everything under 200 euros, which, you know, I think it'd be fun. But I just feel like how it's kind of jagged heights, I think that's really interesting and cool. And even like the curves on top, they're not even like proper like curved or square, they're kind of off at an angle and then curved at the edge. I just think it's a really cool and interesting piece, and it drew my eye towards it, so you know, it must be amazing if it got my attention. Okay, so the next pieces are on my phone. The first one up is this large glass vase. This is from H&M, and I love this so much. I think it's a real nice simple shape. It has the kind of, you know, fluted is a designer in the outside of it, which I really like. It's interesting. It would go in with anything really. You can put any flowers in here, it would look beautiful. I just think it's really an interesting looking vase instead of just a standard plain, you know, glass ones. This would really add some interest to your space. And it's only 20 euro. So I mean, can you go wrong? No. The next item from H&M is this rattan basket. I love this. It's only 40 euro, and I'm really considering buying this myself for my room, because I just love it. I mean, you could even put like a plant in this, like put a plant basket like inside it, and then, you know, yeah, just... Okay guys, that's my interior design wish list for this year. if you'd like me to make updated ones of these, as you know, I see new items, or you know, I don't like, if I, you know, don't like any of these items anymore, or if I get these items, you know, because I might, who knows. But that's it from me. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. And also don't forget to hit that little notification bell just to notify you when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!